Reverse angle parking. What exactly is reverse angle parking, and does it pose a hazard for motorcyclists? That is the question today. Reverse angle parking is supposed to be safer for cars. It puts the trunk towards the sidewalk and away from the street. It opens the doors towards the sidewalk instead of to the street. But is it safe for motorcyclists? So as some of you know, motorcycles do not have reverse. Maybe some of the larger cruisers, maybe like a Gullwing or something, could possibly have reverse. But what this reverse angle parking does for the motorcyclist is it forces the motorcyclist to push the bike back into the parking spot. You can also see how, depending on how the slope is, you may or may not be required to get off your motorcycle and physically push it back. And now that leaves you in the middle of the street pushing your motorcycle. Reverse angle parking also requires the motorcyclist to stop the flow of traffic away from a traffic light, for instance, or a stop sign. And we see a lot of rear-end collisions at stop signs and at stoplights. And in this situation, there is no stop sign or stoplight that warns traffic behind you to come to a stop or be aware that there could be a stop. Instead, all you have is a motorcyclist trying to stop traffic. So you could imagine how this is going to be at night, or if it's raining, or if it's at night. You're going to have a motorcyclist that's going to turn his bike broadside to oncoming traffic, and there's not really that much lighting. There is reflectors. However, some of us, may or may not have those reflectors still on the side of our bikes. So my question is, does this pose a threat for the motorcyclist? Comment below and tell me what you guys think. And I thank all of you for tuning in. I want to give a special shout out to Kevin and Brandon who helped me film this video. And if you guys are not subscribed, please do me a favor and hit that subscribe button, because I'm trying to hit 6,000 subscribers by the end of 2020. Have a good day, folks. Oregon Motorcycle.